Hi guys, welcome back to the Mahker channel. Unfortunately Dave's busy, so you're stuck with me doing the intro today. We've had a very busy week, so come and have a look what we've been up to.
Ready?
See if we get everything.
There you go, look. Teamwork, dreamwork.
Okay, Ant, it's been a while.
Yes guys, it has been a while.
What were we up to on Rodent today?
So on Rodent, apart from working our way through all the sand and the desert, so taking out the old Pioneer head unit, which is it's in there, you don't really need to see that. Replacing it with the Alpine W690D, so that's CarPlay and Android unit. Going to be installing some tweeters up front here, and also replacing the 6x9s in the back with some marine speakers. Going to be powering all that via an amp which is going to be situated under the driver's seat. That's a marine amp as well, so that can get wet. I don't know about being desert proof. So that's what we're doing right now, and then sort of figuring out a way to connect it all together, because as usual on the Defenders nothing is simple.
Don't forget, like and subscribe.
Okay, so what sort of challenges have you been faced with so far?
Yeah, so the challenge is, because this one in particular is so well put together, is getting cables from the amp under the driver's seat. So we've got to get an input from the head unit, so we've got to get from here to there. So figuring out a route to do that is always the most challenging part, to be fair, and making sure the cables can't be seen. So yeah, that's the which I'm still on that right now. I think what I'll have to do is go from the head unit, back of the speedo, probably out through into the bonnet, underneath, and then come back up. I think that's going to be the most practical way to do this.
Okay, John, what have we been busy with here today?
Basically, I've been designing and putting together a new diesel tank for a 90. It's pretty straightforward, really. Same sort of deal as the standards. Just more compact, more bits. Well, there's not so much to cut about or cut out or notch out. So yeah, this is my baby from scratch.
Cool. So what's this bit in the middle here?
Basically that's a basket So when the fuel comes in, depending on which way you're parked on a hill, whether you're facing up the hill or facing down the hill, there's a ball this end and a ball that end, and what the ball does basically, it'll let fuel in, but it won't let fuel back out. So whether if you're low on fuel, you can actually start again because you'll have reserves in this basket. Yeah, it's a neat little design, to be fair.
And do you want to show us how it fits in?
Yeah. There is a little bit of jiggling about. Oh. And there we have it. And what's going to happen then, when the bottom's on it, we're going to put a strip of angle on there and bolt it onto there, and actually get plates to bolt to there and weld on there. But yeah, I'm quite chuffed how it's turned out.
So would anyone with a 90 be able to just pick up one of these ones and pretty much swap it out?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. They're going to be all made to standard. Yeah, so give Dave a shout. With all that in there, the angles in there, man. A little bit better. Just clean this bit. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, Andy, what have we got going on here today?
Well, we're just doing a stock dashboard, Puma dashboard in black with the silver stitching. So we usually carry these in stock for anybody that wants one. Let's say, just try and keep them as a stock item for different bits.
So this has just been done to sit on the shelf for now, is it? It's not for a specific build?
No, not for a specific build. Got one out there that's done that's for a build, but nothing as yet. The main build job we've been doing has been the seats for the first of the Range Rover Classics.
Nice. So what's gone into those then?
Well, we've got Harris tweed in them and the terracotta leather. So we've just made a start. Just waiting for some more leather. Got the door panels all done down there, all ready to go. Once we get everything back.
And do you know what colour the actual car is going to be?
I don't as yet, no, not been told the exterior colour. I don't know whether we've got that far with the customer yet, what he's decided on. I think he has, but I'm not sure. But yeah, so we're starting these, but anybody that's got a Classic and wants their interior retrimming, either as original or if they want to upgrade it, then give Dave a bell.
Pump it! Don't forget, like and subscribe. I'm mic'd up.
Why are you filming me? Film Bruno.
Yeah, go on. Do you want to wear it?
Right, Bruno, you're having too much fun.
We're having a lot of fun.
Talk to me about this car.
So this car is, as you can see, it's a little bit different to what you usually see here. So this 90 is from Anglesey, and with it being by the sea, it has a few crusty parts. It's had a nice new chassis. That wasn't done by us, but it's had a Galf chassis. It's missing a few parts. It's missing a few parts, but whilst the parts are out, you can see it's had a nice BM conversion. It's having a Puma bulkhead, Puma dash. It's got a new seat box as well because the old one was rotten thanks to the salty sea. And if you'd like to come with me, you'll be able to see where the rest of the truck is hiding. So in here, we have got a few of the parts. So these are the wings, and what this customer wants is, as you could see, it had white tough coating on it. So it's a bit different. We usually just do the chassis, but this is part of the body done as well. And this is all Raptor. So it sets really hard. Oh, I can hear Darren. Let's see if Darren wants to come in. No, he's scared. We got this heater going to try and get it all nice and warm and get them put on. But yeah, everything's all being Raptored, so it looks like very apocalypse sort of truck. I think it looks quite cool, to be honest. Once it's all back together as well, it'll look really smart, I think. But yeah, it's very different, very unique, very nice. This is some stone chip. This bit's dry. This got done this morning, so this bit's dry. But at the top of the bulkhead and the screen surrounds and wings they're still wet, as you might be able to tell. But yeah, it's something different anyway. I think it'll be a really cool build with the BM conversion in it as well. Really cool. A few Puma parts as well. Job's a peach. Bit of finger action.
So rather than standing around and fuck all it.
You want a bird? Yeah? like and subscribe.
Oh, you've got to cut my
Keep it PG now. You get no.
Thank you, Sophia. The advice hour, optometrist Deb Hart will join Becky to talk about
Tell me about the tweeters you add into Rodent here.
Yeah, so these tweeters, these are extremely high-end Hertz. I'm going to check the model number because I can never remember. So they're the Mille Legends 280s, and they are high-end. You've got things like the Orderson, the Whitchurch. These are the neck, and the Whitchurch are really good. They're high-end. These are even higher. I run these in my own vehicle. As you heard earlier, as soon as I connected one in, you can really hear that clarity. Really strong as well. You can never really blow these. I'll take a lot of different frequencies as well, but just real high-end. And they are mounted in these really cool pods, which are now only available from Germany. These are specially in for Dave. Really difficult to get hold of. But they're going to neatly sit. We're just putting them in place at the moment. They're going to sit on top of the dashboard. Used these before as well in Defenders. Really nice addition.
Yeah, that's
a bit without the tweeter connected.
There you have it. It made it all the way, and we've got some great footage of this. So stay tuned, and we'll show you next week.
So you can tell straight away the brightness really is a massive difference when it's connected in, and that's not turned up loud right now. It actually works quite well with those speakers, which aren't great, the ones that are in there at the moment, but
Thanks very much for watching, guys. Tune back in next week for some more Land Rover content. Don't forget to like and subscribe.